23 provides that exempt with the leave of the Assembly, no more than one stage of a bill may be taken at a sitting. Consequently, honorable members, the House shall only consider the second reading stage of the bill, and if the chairperson of the committee so desires to proceed with other stages, he shall be guided by the Standing Order 123 and will be required to act accordingly. Therefore, honorable members, pursuant to Standing Order 42.2, I wish to rearrange the business of the sitting such that we commence with the supplementary order paper first. Thank you. Clerk.
Point.
Yes, Honorable Lucy Kithenji.
Madam Speaker, I don't know if you noticed, but Honorable Esther, when you were upstanding, she just walked across, and maybe she did bow. She just walked while you were standing, and I thought the sergeant would have done something.
Thank you, Honorable Lucy. I really didn't see that. Honorable Esther, did you do that?
Honorable Speaker, it's so unfortunate that some people are starting some fights here, unfortunately. Unfortunately, you didn't, I missed that. Yes, I walked, but I bowed.
But it is wrong.
And Madam Speaker, I walked amidst some confusion because even Honorable Kadogo was just chatting and making a lot of noise.
Lucy, do we have a member in the House by Honorable Kadogo? You said
my apologies, Madam Speaker. Madam Lucy, Honorable Lucy was just chatting, making a lot of noise. Honorable Karo was just getting seated, so there was no order at all. So I saw
order, Honorable.
Just walking and sitting.
Are you purporting there was no order when I was on my feet?
So many members were walking and some others were making noise. Okay, I don't justify my deed. I apologize.
Very nice. It is important for member to note. We have been here for a while, so it is important for you to note that you can't be walking around when the speaker is on the chair. But let's your apology has been accepted, Honorable Esther, and also the Honorable Lucy for chatting while the speaker is on the chair. Apologies have been accepted. Let's proceed. Clerk. Thank you for that. I am informed that a select member of the HBC is supposed to give us the business of the week. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I want to take us through the notice paper of 5th and 6th August 2025. Madam Speaker, these are the businesses that we were supposed to do today, 5th August 2025 at 9:30 a.m. There was no communication, petition on papers, Madam Speaker. There will be a report, or there was to be a report of Committee on Water, Sanitation, Environment, Tourism, Climate Change and Natural Resources on Nyandarua County Climate Change Amendment Bill 2024 by Honorable Isaac Mbae, Chairperson. Then we were to have a report on the Committee on Education, Children, Gender Affairs, Culture and Social Services on the Departmental Budget Implementation Report for the financial year 2023-2024 by the Chairperson, Honorable Peter Dhongo Kamau. On notices of motion, Madam Speaker, we were to have a notice of motion on the report of the Committee on Education, Children, Gender Affairs, Culture and Social Services on the Departmental Budget Implementation Report for the financial year 2023-2024 by the Chairperson, Honorable Peter Dhongo Kamau. Madam Chair, on motions and bills, we were supposed to have Nyandarua County Climate Change Amendment Bill 2024, second reading by Honorable Isaac Mbai Kamau, the chairperson of that particular committee on water, sanitation, environment, tourism, climate change, and natural resources. This afternoon, Madam Speaker, these were the businesses that, or these are the businesses we're supposed to conduct. We are supposed to have papers, which is a report of the Committee on Health Services on the Engineer County Level 4 Hospital Annual Report on Financial Statement for the year ended 30th June 2024. This is by the chairperson, Honorable Paul Ngeshe Wambaire. Then on notices of motion, Madam Speaker, there was a notice on the report of the Committee on Health on the Engineer County Level 4 Hospital Annual Report on Financial Statement for the year ended 30th June 2024, again by Honorable Paul Ngeshe Wambaire. On motions and bills, we are going to have the Nyandarua County Climate Change Amendment Bill, Committee of the Whole. This one is by the Deputy Speaker or the Chairperson of the Committee of the Whole, Honorable Samuel Shege Gadirimo, and Honorable Isaac Mbai, the Chairperson Committee on Water, Environment, Tourism, Climate Change, and Natural Resources. Again, on the same, we were Nyandarua County Climate Change Amendment Bill. This one is a report stage, being part of the motion and bill, and again by Honorable Chage Gadirimo, Chairperson Committee of the Whole. Madam Speaker, on papers, yes, on on Wednesday, that's tomorrow, 9:30 a.m., we shall be having report of Committee on Education, Vocational Training, Culture, Gender, and Social Protection on request to approve the designation of town and centers for sale and consumption of alcoholic drinks in accordance with Nyandarua County Alcoholic Drinks Control Act. This one again is by the chairperson of this committee, Honorable Peter Gadhongo Kamau, the committee chair of Education, Vocational Training, Culture, Gender, and Social Protection. Again, tomorrow in the morning, we shall have a report of the Committee on Education, Vocational Training, Culture, Gender, and Social Protection on Nyandarua County Bursary Fund Report and Financial Statement for the period ended 30th June 2024. Again, this one is by the chairperson, Honorable Peter Gadhongo Kamau. Madam Speaker, on statement, we have a response to statement that was sought by Honorable Zachary Mwanginjero on status of Ronyambo ECD by Honorable Peter Gadhongo Kamau, Chairperson, Committee on Education, Vocational Training, Culture, Gender, and Social Protection. Madam Speaker, on motions and bills, tomorrow morning we shall have a motion and bill that the House does agree with the report of the Committee of the Whole on the consideration of Nyandarua County Climate Change Amendment Bill 2024 by Honorable Isaac Mbai Kamau, Chairperson, Committee on Water, Sanitation, Environment, Tourism, Climate Change, and Natural Resources. Madam Speaker, tomorrow, Wednesday, 6th August 2025 at 2:30 p.m. These are the businesses of the day. We shall have a report of the Legal Affairs, Labor, Intergovernmental Relations, and Coordination Committee on the Nyandarua County Office
Honorable
of the
members,
county.
Honorable Stephen, please let's consult on very, if you must, Lawton. Proceed, Honorable Martin.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Like I've said, tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. we shall have a report of the Legal Affairs, Labor, Intergovernmental Relations, and Coordination Committee on Nyandarua County Office of the County Attorney Annual Report for the period of 1st July 2023 to 30th June 2024 by Honorable Hussein Dongo Kasana. Again, we shall have a motion, notice of motion on the report of Legal Affairs, Labor, Intergovernmental Relation and Coordination Committee on the Nyandarua County Office of the County Attorney Annual Report for the period 1st July 2023 to 30th June 2024 by Honorable Hussein Dongo Kasana, the chairperson of this particular committee. Madam Speaker, we shall have a statement response to a statement sought by Honorable Isaac Kongo Wanjiro on the status of ECD teachers in Wanjohi Ward. This one will be given by Honorable Peter Gadhongo Kamau, chairperson on education, vocational training, culture, gender and social protection. On motions and bills, Madam Speaker, we shall have the Nyandarua County Climate Change Amendment Bill 2024, third reading by Honorable Isaac Mbaye Kamau, the chairperson Committee on Water, Sanitation, Environment, Tourism, Climate Change and Natural Resources. The last business tomorrow will be motion of adjournment from 6th August to 19th August 2025 by Honorable Elijah Mwanginyaga, leader of the majority party, so that members can attend devolution conference. Thank you, Madam Speaker. This notice paper is prepared and published pursuant to standing orders 40 and 41, dated 5th day of August 2025. Thank you, Madam Speaker. And I table.
Thank you.
Honorable Speaker, can I clarify something?
Please do.
Honorable Speaker, I expected a communication from the House business. We are all aware that we are expecting a new member in this House. And the same communication have not been done by the House business. And Honorable Steve, I saw Steve, Honorable Steve, with a lady, and kind of he tried to tell us that that lady could be the one who has been nominated by the ruling party, Honorable Speaker. So, Honorable Speaker, even if that she's not being sworn in this week, maybe you can get an official communication from the system himself, Honorable Steve, so that we can get information as it is.
Thank you so much for that very strange business, or rather a matter that has not reached my desk. So I will request that we proceed with the business of the day, because that is really a matter that I know nothing about. Clerk?
Madam Speaker.
Clerk? Steve, you are a member of the House Business Committee, right?
Yes.
Then this would not be an appropriate place to address that matter.
Madam Speaker, I think the honorable member has just mentioned my name, and I think because of Hansard, it's good you just give me one of the minute of this honorable house. I just respond and say that the honorable member should be patient. The same will be communicated to the chair and officially, and the due process will take place, and the said honorable member is within the premises of this assembly, but the official communication will be made by you, chair, and I think, like I've said, the swearing in will be done, and that day, Honorable Gitao, together with myself and Honorable Maria, we shall be escorting that honorable member to this honorable house with your permission.
Yeah, I mean, clearly the member is, we will task the Honorable Getao to do the escorting, absolutely. So let's, thank you, Honorable Mativo. Let's commence with the business of the day. Clerk?
Order number 3, messages. Order number 4, petitions. Order number 5, papers. Madam Speaker, there are a number of papers to be laid in this House. The first one being a paper by the Honorable Isaac Mbaye Kamau, the Chairperson Committee on Water, Sanitation, Environment, Tourism, Climate Change and Natural Resources.
Mbaye, proceed.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, the bill is at adoption stage by the committee, ironing some critical issues raised after recess. noting that this owing to fact that we have time without a number passed bills in this house that had never seen the light of the day. One such bill is of particular concern is that this house passed the Nyandarua County Management Bill 2024 on 19th November 2024 and asserted by the Governor, His Excellency Governor, on the 2nd December 2024, but has never seen published in the Kenyan Gazette as required under Section 25(1) of the County Government Act 2012. This bill was supposed to address water issues both for domestic and farming within the county, but the same has not been realized due to laxity in the executive, that is the legal department. It should be noted that this house does not pass laws for its benefits, but for the great people of Nyandarua. There are other bills like the FIF, Enforcement Bill, Finance Bill, which were passed by this house, for the benefit of the county and has also not been gazetted. Madam Speaker, it should be noted that this house is not a house of futility and its resolutions are not in vain or mere suggestions. Madam Speaker, the committee therefore resolved to seek your directions on 1. Should the House continue passing bills that will not be asserted to the gazetted as required under Section 25 of the County Government Act, respectively? Number 2, what is the resource of this House in cases where the law are not asserted or gazetted as requirement in the law? Madam Speaker, that critical issues that was raised, we realize it is good if you give direction so that it can be addressed as soon as possible, and then we will be able to proceed. Thank you, Madam.
Thank you very much, Honorable Mbaye, for that oversight. I wish to inform the House that the House Business Committee had been tasked with convening a meeting of the Committee of the General Oversight to deal with the matters of the unpublished and unscented bills. So therefore, I believe that the matter is being dealt with and we will be expected to address that matter when the Committee of the General Oversight is convened. Is that okay with you? Good. Thank you very much.
Madam Speaker.
Yes, Honorable Carol.
I'm one of that member who is so much concerned about what is happening when we pass the bills here, but when they get to the executive, we don't know what happened. For my case, there is this bill that I supported and I sponsored the bill. It's about Nyandarua County Community Dams. Yeah, the bill was passed in this house way back in September 2024. The bill was signed by the governor on 2nd December 2024. Right now, we are in August 2025. The bill is seated, it's somewhere, someone's office. It has never been published. I've been walking to that office severally, and I was promised that, the time I was there, I was promised that the bill will be published in about 3 to 4 days. Up to now, I call, no answers. So I'm here asking, what is the work of an MCA? Will we be passing bills here, and when they get to the other side, they are not implemented? We have people who are ready to come and support our county, but now they cannot come because it has never been an act. So we need answers, and actually, now we have another bill here about the climate change bill. My question is, yes, we are going to pass it here. What will happen when it gets to the other side? Thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Caro, for your input. Clearly, someone is failing because already the governor has assented to the bill. The only thing that fails is the publication. So I request that it should be noted in the answered that when the speaker comes, when our substantive speaker comes, he convenes a committee of the general oversight so that we can deal with that specific office that is failing to publish the bills. It's quite unfortunate that we are in that position now, where members are not even motivated to moving forward to dealing with the bills in this house because we are not seeing the end of them. So clerk, let it be communicated to the speaker or who is the chairperson of the HBC that we need to convene with urgency the committee of the general oversight to deal with that matter. Thank you. Clerk, let's proceed. So we expect on that matter that this paper we expected to be tabled today will be tabled once the committee of the whole house has given its resolution. Correct? Clerk, proceed.
Madam Speaker, still under the same order, there is a paper to be laid in this house by the Honorable Peter Gadongo Kamau.
Honorable Peter Gadongo, the member for Leshao Pondo, please proceed.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. And Madam Speaker, the committee tabled a report on budget implementation for the financial year 2023-2024 on subsidized youth polytechnic tuition fees for the financial year 2023-2024. The committee committed to table a budget implementation report for the financial year 2023-2024 on the following directorates. 1, the Directorate of Culture. 2, the Directorate of Social Services. 3, Honorable Madam Speaker, the Directorate of Vocational Training Centers. And 4, the Directorate of Primary Projects. Honorable Speaker, the report is ready. The committee meets on Wednesday at 8:15 a.m. It shall therefore adopt the report tomorrow and table it in this house within the next 7 days. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
So you are basically requesting for 7 days, correct? To table that report.
Honorable Speaker, I have explained myself. The committee has already, the report is ready, but it cannot be tabled before it has been adopted by the committee. So it will be adopted tomorrow, and within the next sitting, it can be tabled. Thank you, Honorable Speaker. And the next sitting definitely will be after 7 days, and not jumping the gun. We are going for a short recess, so it will not be the 7 working days, that is, because the coming 7 days are not working days.
So you're basically requesting for 7 days to table that report because it's not ready, Honorable Gadongo.
Madam Speaker, should I repeat? I have said the report is ready. The committee meets on Wednesday at 8:15 and it shall meet tomorrow to adopt the report. It is ready.
So my question is very simple, Honorable Gadongo. It seems like we are not understanding each other. Are you requesting for more time to table for that report because it's not ready? Or because it has not been adopted?
It has not been adopted, and we cannot table a report which has not been adopted by the committee, Honorable Speaker.
So it's basically not ready. So Gadongo is requesting for 7 days to table that report.
Clarification from the chair.
Yes, Honorable Mangeshe.
It should come out clearly from Honorable Gadongo that the report is not ready. Because if it is not adopted, it is not ready. And they should not now express their laziness here.
Honorable Geshe, that's a slightly harsh.
I withdraw and really apologize and just replace it with a final word like they are not ready.
Honorable Gadongo, you're feeling the feeling of the members. You know, it is because the members are the consumer of that report, and they need answers. So it is good to not to be very entitled when you are requesting for more time for business that the House expected to be ready. But all said and done, I will still grant you the 7 days for the report to be ready. So, Clerk, let's proceed.
Order number 6, notices of motion. Madam Speaker, in line with your directives, we proceed to order number 7, statements. Order number 8, motions and bills. Again, Madam Speaker, in line with your initial directives, we proceed to the main order paper.
Yes, proceed.
Order number 1, administration of oath. Order number 2, communication from the chair.
Proceed.
Order number 3, messages. Order number 4, petitions. Order number 5, papers. Madam Speaker, under this order, there is a paper to be tabled by the Honorable Paul Ngeshe Wambaire, the Chairperson, Committee on Health Services.
The Honorable Man Geshe, proceed.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, the Committee on Health Services was duly mandated by this Honorable House to scrutinize a report on the above issue, the status of the report on the Engineer County Hospital annual report and financial statement for the period ended 30th June 2024. The committee is currently in the final stages of its analysis. During this process, several issues have been identified that require clarification from the medical superintendent of engineer. To address these matters, the committee has scheduled a meeting with the medical superintendent to obtain the necessary clarification. In view of the ongoing review, the committee respectively seeks the indulgence of this Honorable House to grant an extension of 45 days to allow for the completion of its scrutiny and the submission of a comprehensive report. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Absolutely. The committee is granted the days requested to compile that statement. Thank you very much. Clerk, proceed.
Order number 6, notices of motion. Madam Speaker, in line with your directives, I proceed to order number 7, statements. Order number 8, motions and bills. Madam Speaker, again, in line with your earlier directives, we have exhausted the businesses appearing in this afternoon sittings order paper.
Thank you very much, honorable members, for your patience and for your time. There being no other business to transact during this sitting today, we adjourn the House to tomorrow, Wednesday, at 9:30 a.m. Thank you.